And the following contest is a lawnmower match. And coming to the ring first, Excelente Astro Senior. This match will be for the lawnmower that belongs to the Ultimos. And his opponent, Ultimo Astro Jr. He is certainly a wild character here in Octane Championship Wrestling.
Oh, yeah! Let's go, amigos!
This match is for the lawnmower. This match was set up over a month ago. And this is Excelente Astro Senior's second time here in Octane Championship Wrestling. He is back.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Ring the bell!
And the bell has sounded. John Law is the official. Ultimo Astro Jr., Excelente Astro Senior. The lawnmower is on the line. And Excelente Astro has turned into what appears to be a dog. I do believe he's hiking the leg. Both of these wrestlers are certainly interesting in their own way. A headlock is applied. He sends him off. And a tackle brings down Ultimo Astro Jr. Goes for a hip toss, but nobody. Oh, man, there it is. A hip toss of his own. And a kick. Sends Ultimo Jr. down. And another one. So nice. Let's make it thrice. 3 times. And the hat is back on. Last time he was here, the hat does have powers. Wait just a second. He has given the hat to John Law. And he comes over the ropes and drops him. Wait, he caught him in a Hurricane Rana. What a maneuver there.
Get that man on more.
Excelente Astro Senior is already taking possession of the lawnmower, even though he hasn't won it yet. But he said, hey, get off my lawnmower. Slides him back into the ring. And a splash into the corner. And here's another one. And a bulldog sends him down. And a 2 count by John Law. With the hat on. Excelente Astro Senior has taken Ultimo Astro Jr. down. And a leg drop.
1, 2.
And he kicks out at 2. Ultimo Astro Jr. He does not want to listen to his dad after he loses the lawnmower, that's for sure. So it's his best interest to keep that lawnmower in the Ultimo's possession.
What the heck?
down on the top of his head.
1, 2.
And he kicks out. I don't even know how Excelente Astro found the strength. And he kicks out again.
Come on, amigo.
Come on, amigo. Come on, amigo. That's what he says to John Law.
We going up, baby.
And a suplex down to the mat. Excelente Astro Sr. is definitely feeling that. But somehow, some way, he finds the strength to kick out. He has the fighting spirit in him. Excelente Astro refuses to let up now. Oh, and a back suplex on down to the back of the head. And he kicks out again. Excelente Astro!
No.
Excelente Astro Sr.
We going back up, baby.
reverses it into a counter, into a small package, but Ultimo Astro snuck out the back door. Oh, he throws a clothesline. And he catches him into a headlock and throws him out of the ring, but wait, he lands on the apron. I do believe Ultimo Astro Jr. thought he definitely had him out of the ring, and now they're both out of the ring. Oh, and he flips off the lawnmower. What a maneuver! He throws him back into the ring. This could be it. This could be it.
1, 2, 3.
And he just won the match. Excelente Astro Sr. is the new owner of the Lawnmower.
Bye-bye, sucker!
We have a new owner here, and it's Excelente Astro Sr.
You forgot your hat.
Oh, he stopped on the hat. And there he goes with his new possession. He has the lawnmower. What a turn of events.